We're going to take you back outside this afternoon. This is a live look in Fort Smith where it's definitely looking cloudy out there, Zach. Not looking too bad there right now, but it's looking like it could get bad later today.
Yeah, and that's not really what we want to see. We know we already have an unstable environment out there, and then you start getting these breaks of sunshine. It's muggy outside, especially across the southern half of 5 country. You've noticed that humidity pick up as we've gone through the day. As expected, the dew points have been increasing. The humidity's been increasing. That's the gasoline. That's the fuel for the storm system. We've got the jet stream. We've got the lift in the atmosphere, and we've got plenty of warm, muggy air streaming in from the south. And again, all those ingredients coming together. We've got isolated shower and thunderstorm chances through the rest of the day. Now through 3, 4 o'clock, we can't roll out a strong storm or two, mostly isolated activity. It's as we go late afternoon through the evening, that's when our severe weather potential is really going to pick up across eastern Oklahoma and all of western Arkansas. That's why we have the weather impact alert day for today. All right, so we're watching flooding potential. We've picked up 2 to 5 inches of rainfall since Saturday night. Some areas picked up multiple inches of rain last night. We could pick up an additional couple of inches of rain as we go later on today in a quick amount of time. So low-lying, poor drainage areas, areas that typically flood during big rain events, you can go ahead and expect that water is going to start to pull up in some of those areas near those streams, those creeks. Don't drive across flooded roads, especially at nighttime. If you know these routes that typically have, again, some water on the road a little bit more than other spots, think about those later today. All right, possible property damage, debris. Yeah, it's all possible with the thunderstorms that I think we're going to get later today. Level 3 risk of 5 for all of western Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, because we anticipate now we are going to get some strong storms to mix in. The lower end of the scale, if it's a level 1, level 2, we think we could see a couple strong storms mix in. The higher up on the scale we go, we feel confident that the ingredients are there and that we're going to get some strong storms to mix in. What's the timing? The timing, again, is mainly after 3, 4 o'clock. That's when we really have to be on guard, especially 5, 6, 7. That's when I think this line of storms is going to continue to work in. We may see this batch miss us off towards the north. We have to watch what develops down here, and out ahead of it, this is the activity that's likely going to be coming our way. Again, late afternoon through the evening, and then we've also got to watch some of these isolated showers out here. I'll tell you this, very warm, muggy air. Again, the gasoline for the storm system is rapidly streaming in out ahead of it, and these breaks of sunshine are not helping the situation. A little closer look here at the activity that we do have ongoing, and nothing is severe at the moment. We're watching some of these thunderstorms out towards the south, not seeing much lightning, so that's good news. If we see the lightning tick up, it means the intensity of the storms are ticking up. Big cluster of some nasty storms. Had some small hail with this cluster. It's kind of weakened a little bit now in the higher elevations there of northern Crawford County into Johnson or Franklin County. That's going to continue north. Big rain producer. We're watching more isolated showers off towards the south. Little lightning with these. We're going to continue to keep our eyes on them. I think Future Track Radar's done a great job with this situation. It's not always the case. I feel like with today, it's doing pretty well. Again, we've got isolated shower potential between now through 3, 4 o'clock. We start to get 4 o'clock, 5, 6, late afternoon, evening. That's when the storm potential increases across eastern Oklahoma and slowly works its way in. If this materializes just as we're seeing it right here, a line of storms developing, I think the potential for damaging winds will be possible throughout that entire line, and then a few tornadoes will be possible. Again, you're also going to pick up a lot of rainfall, saturated soil. You're going to get a lot of runoff, and that's going to elevate that flood potential. Again, not everyone's going to see a severe storm today, damaging winds or tornadoes. We do think there are going to be a few storms that are going to produce, again, a few of those things. Temperatures today, warm, muggy 70s. We'll get some rain-cooled air on the backside going into Tuesday. Election day does look cooler on the backside of this cold front, with the potential of some at least light showers lingering through the morning hours. Well, as we get into the afternoon, we think the skies are going to break up and some sunshine is going to mix in, a little drier finish to Election Day for us. Again, it's a weather impact alert day for today through the rest of the day, especially late afternoon into the evening. You'll make sure you want to tune in. Chief Meteorologist Scott Covert's going to be here. The weather team's going to have our eyes on these storms, and we're going to keep you updated throughout the day.